Hi everyone, hope you people are fine and doing good. As you have seen the title of today's video, it is about when GCC countries are resuming their international flights. As we are getting many queries about it, so we decided to make a video and guide you step by step, country wise, which are located in GCC. We start up with Bahrain. Bahraini national and residents allowed to enter in Bahrain. Please note, visit visa holder still not allowed until further notice. However, people holding new work visa or expired visa in this pandemic, they required a PPG certificate. PPG basically is an abbreviation of prior permission granted certificate, which they can get it from immigration. National Carrier of Bahrain Gulf Air, they already start operation for London, Frankfurt, Paris, Manila, inbound and outbound for these countries. A part of it, Pakistan sectors, Lahore, Islamabad, Multan, Faisalabad, Karachi, Gulf Air also operating for inbound, outbound. So people who wish to travel from Pakistan to Bahrain or any part of the world where Gulf Air is operating, so you can avail these flights. But you cannot travel to Pakistan on these flights. Moreover, native national carriers are taking back their national on repatriation flights if they met their criteria. You can find out video in YouTube channel what is repatriation flight and who is eligible for it if you need further details. Regarding Saudi Arabia, all operations suspended until further notice except repatriation or special flight which need to book through consulate. However, domestic flight already resumed by the Saudi government almost 1 week ago. For your information, recently Saudi Arabia extended suspension of international flight until further notice, and even they have not given any tentative date or any announcement for the opening of their airspaces. Number 3, Kuwait. All operations suspended until further notice. Kuwaiti national can return back to home country, but no residents allowed to enter. Repatriation flights already continue for other national. However, regular scheduled flights tentatively will resume end of August as per the latest official news. Number 4, Oman. All operations suspended until further notice. Omani national can return back, but no residents to allow to enter Oman. Also, some countries' repatriation flights continue to bring back their national to their home country, and even no tentative date announced by the Oman government for opening their borders. Number 5, Qatar. Qatar all operations suspended until further notice. Only national can return back, but residents still not allowed to enter in Qatar. For your information, Qatar Airways already resumed some destination, but transfer only. Moreover, they announced tentatively resume regular flights beginning of August. Initially, we have news all residents need to book hotel along with the air ticket for 14 days quarantine because they won't be allowed to go home. Number 6, UAE. Regarding UAE, UAE are partially operational. National and residents allowed to enter, but residents they need pre-approval through designated portal. However, Emirates and Etihad they already resumed, they are partially resumed their flights for some destination for transfer UAE only. So it's mean They are still not fully operational. As soon as they are operational, we'll definitely update you. Kindly stay in touch with our social media pages. Hope we have responded to all your queries related to resuming of flight to GCC. We would like to request everyone, please don't believe on rumors unless the news is not authentic, and don't book your ticket, because once you book the ticket, your money will be gone, and later you will not get your money back immediately. Maybe it will take 30 days to 90 days. A part of it, please stay in touch with our social media pages for the authentic news.